Good morning, guys. Be right with you. All right. Good morning, guys. Let's see what we got today. Gold all of a sudden fell off the table. Let's see if we can come down and sweep here. That's what we need right here. Yesterday we had a rough day. I had a late start yesterday. But we did get a win. 30-something pips. We're up 220 pips for the week. That's what we need right there. Let me see, US 30. Don't really see anything. That's all right. No, I'll be looking for a sell right here. That's it. That's what we got. Can anybody? Yeah, we're up 240 pips this week, guys. And yeah, doing good. I mean, we usually average about 500 pips a week. So we're a little bit behind. But yesterday was was a good day. I mean, we got a win. So anytime you walk out of here with a win away from this market, man, you had a great day. So there's nothing wrong with that. Right here, guys, this is the pre-market low. So I'm waiting for it to sweep here. I want a candle to come. In other words, I want a candle to come down and just shoot through this blue box and then come back out. And then that's what I call a sweep. In other words, they're grabbing the liquidity that was left here. You can see how many times it came there. Look at that. And then I'll be looking for a buy from there. Then we'll be looking for like a certain amount of pips to take half and put a stop loss in place. Look at this reacting to that fair value gap, man. Let's see how it acts here. All right, here it comes back down. Let's see if it gives us what we want now. Let me check US 30. All right, guys, I'm going to sell NAS. I'm in, guys. I'm in on a sell on NAS. Now let's make a plan here. $57. Take it all the way to here. It's almost 60 pips. 60 pips right there. All right, that's the plan, guys. We're in profit. Let's see. All right, so we're in a sell on NAS. Let's see if we go down now. Let's get it going here. Hey, sweetie. All right. Got my tea. Got my tea, guys. That's big, man. When the tea comes, man, it's game on, bro. All right, I'm up about 15 pips, maybe a little more. Yeah, about 20 pips now. So good, man. We're in profit. The day is good. Let me see if there's any news today. Let me check. Today is Thursday. 8:30 we had news. Unemployment claims. Let me see what happened with that. Refresh it. Oh, there was less claims than they thought. They were looking for 215,000. They got 198,000. So that's good for the economy, I guess. So good. Excellent. The economy seems to be doing good. Come on, Naz. Let's drop, man. Okay, 20 minutes to New York Open, guys. So we got plenty of time. Where's the pre-market low? Whoa, it's all the way down there, man. Theoretically, this thing could go to the pre-market low. Let's see what happens in the open. That'll tell us more. Okay, I'm up about 25 pips right now. Oh, no, I'm sorry, not 25. I always do that, because I changed the lot size so much. It's actually like 12 pips. 13 pips, something like that. Sorry, guys. I don't do that on purpose, man. I switch the lot sizes, and then I forget that I switched it. So I used a bigger lot size. I'm just doing the math in my head while I'm looking at the numbers, so hopefully it's understandable. Hopefully. All right. Here we go. Sorry about that, guys. All right, we're in profit, man. We're rocking and rolling. I want to see a nice push down here. Might have to take profit here, guys, because we'll see how it reacts. We can do it on the fly. It's not very much. It's only 25 pips. But we could reject here. Let's see what it does. We got 15 minutes to New York open. Man, that's a nice trade if it goes all the way down. We'll see. I don't want to get greedy here. That's how you end up messing up. All right, we're moving nice, guys. A little slow, but we're moving down. We are pushing down. I don't know if it's going to keep going past this blue box. I'll be honest with you. It almost looks like it's coming down for a retest the way it's moving. But we're going to get some volume in a little bit. I'm going to hold for now. Let's see what US 30 is doing. Coming right to the 200. Theoretically, you could sell right there. See about gold. Gold went up, but it never swept for us. I wanted it to sweep this line. It never did. It tells me it might fall again. Oh, now it's reversed. See? Oof, good stuff, man. My goodness. Shout out to whoever makes this tea, man. Bengal spice tea, man, with a little cinnamon in it. That's the thing, man. That's the ticket, my friends. All right, we're going up, guys. Let's see what it does. Right back at our entry. Let's see if we can drop off again. I think so. What's up here? Let me check. Really nothing up here. All right, we're in profit still. I don't know for how long. Oh, there we go. That's how long. 2 seconds. See what's going on in the news here. What you want, what you wanna do. Oh, I gotta sneeze. All right, let's see what happens here, guys. We have about 3 minutes, a little more than 3.5 minutes to New York. I don't really see a good place to enter, so we're just going to play it by ear here. And again, it did just sweep again. Thinking about selling it here, guys, so you know. I'm getting the RSI signal, which, really doesn't mean much, but it's at the area. It's at the pre-market high. I'm going to sell it, guys. I'm in. I got it right around there. Oh, let's see what happens now. We're coming up to the open. How many pips is that? That's 26 pips. We're right at the entry now. Okay, guys. So this obviously now is going to be TP1 right here. When this one goes to break even or a couple of pips in profit, I'm closing this one. And that's going to be considered my TP1 now. That'll be 26 pips, I believe. Let me just double check. Yep, 26 pips. So here we come, guys. Let's go. We got 1 minute to New York. Less than 1 minute. We got 10 seconds. I'm getting ready to close the second position if it pushes down more. Okay, guys, I'm getting ready to close. I'm going to close that one when the other one breaks even. Here it comes. This is the open now. Okay, I'm out of the second one. I got out around here. All right, right here, I'm going to take some profit and put a stop loss. Let's see how it moves. Oh, I waited too long. Let's see. Don't forget, I got like 30 pips in the bank. Here it comes, guys. I could feel it, man. Here it comes. Come on, baby. Fall off a cliff. Come on. Damn. All right, let's see what happens, guys. We got that 30 pips in the bank. We got out right around here. Let me see what that is. I'm just calling it 30. I didn't even measure it. I got out around there. Yeah, it's 34 pips. All right. I just want to see. I want this to come down to here. How far is that? That's 25 pips. I'll probably take half there and then set a stop loss up here in profit and see if we can get it to go down further. Let's see. I would like to see it just blow right through here, man. That'd be sweet. It's pretty aggressive right now. It could just blow right through there. If it decides to go. All right, come on. Well, I'm getting ready to take half just in case, guys. I didn't take it yet. I didn't take it. I should have took it probably. Because you could consider that a sweep because that is an area now. You see the blue box, the demand zone? So we could go up now. I got to be careful here. I'm taking half, guys. All right, I took half. I'll put another line there. I don't know where. I got to check later where it actually was. But I'm still in this trade. I'm going to put a stop loss now. That's my stop loss, guys. 25783.3. 25783.3 is the stop loss. We're coming down to the 200 now. I'm going to close manually at any point here, guys. I'm probably looking for it to bounce off that. You see the 200 down there? Hold on a sec. My damn plug fell out. Right around here. I'm expecting it to come right to here now. That doesn't mean it's gonna, right? But that's what I'm expecting. All right, right now we do have a stop loss in place. We're up like 46 pips, at least, probably around 50. Because I closed below where I said I was going to. Well, I took half below where I said I was going to. And that was 12, so we'll call it 50 pips. I'd really like to close here. I'd like to see it just blow right down to here. Then again, guys, this thing could go all the way down to the pre-market low. Let's see what it does here. I might just get out because I don't want to be greedy, but let's see how it moves. It did touch right there. It did it so fast we didn't even see it. See that? And it rejected right off. You can see the wick there. It just came down and touched it, man. The kiss of death, we call that. Let's see if we can blow past it now. Come on. We went past it that time. Come on. I'm going to close this time, guys. We get down at the bottom of that green box. I'm going to take it. I'm not going to be greedy. Because this thing could reverse any minute. All right, guys, I'm getting ready to close. I'm out. I got out right at the bottom of the box. Let's see what we got now. What total? Hope you guys caught that. It was a nice trade. Some of you guys might still be in it. That's awesome. I hope it goes all the way to China. All right, that's 86 pips altogether, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful trade, guys. We rocked it again, as usual. As usual, guys. We kicked their butt. Yourself a round of applause. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful, man. All right, guys. With that, I'm going to call it a day. That was our win for today. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Same bat time, same bat place. Cheers, guys. God bless you, man. Have a great day on purpose. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thanks for stopping by.